So energy and oscillator, energy and system, that is a K equal to P. K equal to P. So of m v square equal to of kx square. Potential energy of the spring of kx square. Of m square of m into v square is equal to v is equal to omega into root a square minus x square. That is equal to omega square into a square minus x square. So of k is equal to m omega square into x square. So both sides cancel. So a square minus x square is equal to x square. So a square is equal to 2x square. So x is equal to x square is equal to a square by 2. So x is equal to a by root 2. X is equal to a by root 2. So next one, P is equal to 3 K. P is equal to 3 K. So P means of m omega square x square equal to 3 into of m omega square into a square minus x square. A square minus x square. Both are cancelled. So x square is equal to 3 into a square minus x square. So x square is equal to 3a square minus 3x square. So 3a square is equal to 4x square. So x square is equal to 3a square by 4. So x is equal to root 3a by 2. Root 3 by 2. So k is equal to 2p. K equal to 2p. P equal to 3k. So of m omega square into a square minus x square equal to 2 into 1 by 2 m omega square into x square. So both cancel. So 2 into here both side cancel. A square minus x square is equal to 2x square. 2x square. Okay. So a square is equal to 3x square. So x square is equal to a square by 3. X is equal to a by root 3. A by root 3. X is equal to a by root 3. X is equal to a by root 3. Next, combination of strings. Combination of string. Combination of string. Combination of string. So two combinations. One is the series combination, parallel combination. Now only series combination. Now only discuss series combination. In series combination, combination of string. From books f is proportional to minus x, f is equal to minus kx. This is formula, force formula. Okay, distorted force formula. Suppose this is a spring connected to two springs connected in series. So in last spring, F force applied last spring, end of the spring. Here K1, K2 is the spring constant. Their extension Y1, Y2. Force also single force applied the last spring, that is equal to, so the resultant extension Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2. Resultant extension Y is equal to So y is equal to y1 plus y2. So here y1 is equal to f by k1. F is constant. In series f is constant. So y is equal to f by k2. F by k2. So y is equal to f by k1 plus f by k2. The resultant that is equal to f by k. Y effect equal to, so y effect equal to f by k. So f by k1 plus f by k2. F is common. So 1 by k equal to 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2. 1 by k. That is k is equal to k1 k2 by k1 plus k2. K1 k2. So time period t is equal to 2 pi root 2 m by k. So t is equal to 2 pi. M is the total mass, total system of mass. M by k. K1 k2 by k1 plus k2. So t is equal to 2 pi root m into k1 plus k2 by k1 k2. The time period of the system. Frequency n is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root k1 k2 by m into k1 plus k2. This is frequency, time period. Okay, next to parallel. The two springs connected in parallel combination of springs. Okay, so this is first spring, this second spring. Both are connected parallel. So single force applied here, F force applied here. Their extension position the K1 K2 is spring constant, the K1 K2 is spring constant. Then extension y is equal to, so here F is equal to minus kx. That is a resultant force F is equal to F1 plus F2. F1 plus F2. So kx equal to kx plus k2x. So both sides x cancel. K is equal to k1 plus k. In parallel combination, spring constant k is equal to k1 plus k2. In series combination, k equal to k1 k2 by k1 plus k. Here time period t is equal to 2 pi root m by k. So t is equal to 2 pi root m by k1 plus k. And frequency n is equal to 1 by 2 pi root k1 k2 by m. K1 K2 by m. Okay, in parallel series combination. Suppose two springs here two springs. K and 3K. Find out the resultant. Time period t is equal to 2 pi root m by k. Here k is equal to k1 plus k2. Both are parallel. K is equal to k plus 3k. That is equal to 4k. Time period t is equal to 2 pi root m by 4k. M by 4k. Next, so k, 2k and 3k. Here both are series parallel. So here 1 by k plus 1 by 2k. 2k square, 2k plus k. That is 3k by 2k square. So 2k by 3. 2k by 3 plus 3k. Okay? The parallel connection. 2k plus 9k by 3. That is equal to 11k by 3. The time period t is equal to 2 pi root 2 m by k. So t is equal to 2 pi root m by 11k by 3. T is equal to 2 pi root 3m by 11k. 3m by 11k. 3m by 11k. Series combination. Next video simple pendulum.